to the topic SwiftUI stack views. So SwiftUI framework provides the stack views, which are the major components to build user interface using SwiftUI framework. The stack views are HStack and Vstack and ZStack view. So SwiftUI provides the stack view, that is horizontal stack view, vertical stack view and ZStack view, and it aligns the views in both vertically and horizontally. So when it comes to HStack is a view and the subviews can be added, and those subviews span horizontally as we add. So all subviews vertical coordinator is same. For all subviews in the horizontal stack view, the vertical coordinator is same. So when it comes to vertical stack view, and vertical stack view, we can the views can be subviews can be added to Vstack view, and those subviews expand vertically, and all subviews the horizontal coordinators is same. So all subviews, the horizontal coordinator of all subviews is the same. So the HStack views expand horizontally, and in Vstack and views expands in vertically. And ZStack, the views aligns in both directions. It can expand in both directions, that is HStack horizontal and Vstack vertically. So these are the wedges, and these wedges is drawn based on the coordinators, vertical and horizontal coordinators. And when you add another wedge, so it can align in both directions, and vertical it can expand in both directions, and vertical and horizontal directions. So this is the wedge it is added, and both based on the coordinators of that wedge, and it draws on the screen. So to explain these views, and I've created one demo app. So this is I created one screen, and it has got all stack views. So one is a stack, horizontal stack, and second vertical stack, and these views are aligned vertically. And next is ZStack. So when you add a new wedge, and based on the coordinators, it draws in both directions, vertical and horizontal directions. So when I add a new edge based on that coordinators, which is decided based on the wedge position, and then those based on coordinators, it draws on expand in both vertically and horizontally. Let's see code for this. Okay, see that we have stack views and Vstack and HStack and ZStack. So we need to create an instance of that Vstack, and then we need to pass that values to that instance variables, and it has got three instance variables, that is got alignment we need to provide, and spacing, and the third one is a closure which we can add subviews. So HStack, we need to provide a center so that all views in that HStack align center, and then we can provide the space between the views. I provided as a 5, and then closer which contains the all subviews, and that is text view. And second one is again the Vstack, it has got two views and then two stacked views, and third one is text view. So when it comes to Vstack, and this is got aligned vertically, and that is Vstack has the same arguments, and that is alignment we need to provide, and space between subviews we need to provide, and then third is a closure which we provides that subviews, and that subviews are text view. This is the first one, and second one is horizontal stack view, and that has a text views as subviews, and these two, and then a third one is vertically. These are the text views, and third one is text view, and this is the text view. Look at this, and these are aligned differently, and the top leading edges is aligned, and this is aligned at leading edge is aligned to the frame, and this is aligned differently, and this alignment is differently. So the alignment guide actually provides that alignment, and we are going to see it now. Before to that, and we see ZStack, and so ZStack has got different instance variables, and that is one is alignment, and another is that views, and vertical alignment. In both directions we need to provide horizontal and vertical, and then we need to provide that views, and that views with the coordinators of vertical and horizontal coordinators we need to provide, so that ZStack is drawn based on the coordinates. And when it comes to and when you add a new edge, and first drawing the arc, and from this point we draw the line, and from this point we draw the curve arc. So that is we need to draw that, so that can be filled with the color. So let's see now. We are drawing a arc and move from center, and then drawing the arc and providing start and end angle, and then add lines. So add lines we need to provide from here to that top edge coordinators, so that we need to provide, and we are calculating here, and I'm not going to through details about this, but so that point we need to provide, and so then we need to provide arc, and this arc, and we need to provide angle from this is the start angle, and this is the end angle, so that provides, and this it draws the arc on the screen, and we provide the colors, and then that we set as a foreground color. So when I add this, it readjusts those wedges, and for that it is dynamically creating the angles for each wedge when it is added. So that has got some code, and so this example is provided by app development Apple documentation, so that you can go through that. So let's come back about this alignment guide. This is, so this is Vstack, right? So when I about this alignment guide, let's see it in another video. Thank you.